Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel CyberSecurity. Today's video is based on cybersecurity, introduction to ethical hacking. So let's start. Let's talk about what is hacking. So what is hacking? Hacking refers to exploiting system vulnerability and compromising network server to gain unauthorized access for steal data or information. Next, let's talk about who is hacker. Who is hacker? An intelligent individual with excellent computer skills who can create and explore computer software and hardware. Those are called hacker. There are many different types of hacker in cybersecurity. First, white hat hacker. Second is grey hat hacker. And third is black hat hacker. White hat hacker. Those hackers are work for government or many organization with authorized permission, which is called white hat hacker. Black hat hacker. Black hat hacker works for unauthorized access to gain your computer system for many intention like revenge or money or data steal and many more. And middle one is grey hat hacker, which is the mix up वाइट हैट हैकर एंड ब्लैक हैट हैकर. इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारा हैकर होता है लाइक स्क्रिप्ट किडिस, हैक्टिविस्ट, स्टेट स्पॉन्सर हैकर. नेक्स्ट टॉक अबाउट why. Now talk about why ethical hacking is necessary in that time. There are many reasons for necessary ethical hacking in this time. First is secure your information or digital data. Second is secure your digital account or your bank account, etc. In this reason, in that time is very necessary is ethical hacking. Now next, how to AI help ethical hacker. There are many reasons. First is very accuracy result predict on AI in find vulnerability, plus scalability, cost efficient. So now come to the one question: can AI replace ethical hacker? This is the most vital question in that time. AI can replace an ethical hacker in future. Whatever you think. So, this is the wrong. Why it is wrong? Because AI is a tool for help an ethical hacker for predict vulnerabilities or loopholes in a website. AI cannot replace an ethical hacker. Now let's talk about very important topic, CIA. CIA in cybersecurity is a very important topic. First C means confidentiality. I means integrity. And last one, A means availability. So what is confidentiality? Confidentiality means the information is very confidential and secure. How to secure our information? For encrypt or create hash. Integrity means your information cannot tamper or your information cannot changed a hacker. And last one is availability. Availability means your information is only for view own. Third party, anyone cannot view your information. That total is called CIAtriad. Next is term TTPs. TTPs means tactics. T for tactics, T for techniques, procedures. Tactics. What is tactics? Tactics is defined as strategy adopted by an attacker to perform the attack from the beginning to the end. Next is techniques. Techniques means is defined as technical methods used an attacker to achieve intermediate result during the attacking phase. And last is procedures. Procedures is defined as systematic approach adopted by threat actors to launch an attack. Next is vulnerability. What is vulnerability? Vulnerability is a loophole in a website where use an attacker to exploit and then gain unauthorized access. Now next talk about classification attacks. There are different. First is active attack. Active attacks is tamper on the website attacker for gather the information. Next is passive attack. This attacks is totally opposite on active attack. Means passive attack, the hacker cannot tamper the website for gathering information. Last is distribution attack. Distribution attacks. Now talk about CyberKillChain. CyberKillChain, there are total 7 phases. First is Reconnaissance. First step is Reconnaissance. In this stage, hacker or attacker gathered the information. Next step is Vaporization. In this step, attacker create a payload using backdoors or exploit. Next is Delivery. In this phase, attacker vaporization to send victim by using emails or USB, whatever. Next phase is Exploitation. In this phase, attacker exploit victim system and write command to execute malicious software. Now next is Installation. In this phase, attacker install malware on victim machine or system. Now next is command and control phase. In this phase, attacker create a command and control to communicate with victim system and pass the data. And last is attacking on objectives. Perform attacking an objective phase to achieve the goals. Now this is the complete cyber kill chain. MITRE attack. Now let's talk about MITRE attack framework. In this phase, there are multiple steps. Firstly, write down the steps one by one. This is the MITRE attack framework: recon, weaponize, deliver, exploit, control, execute, and maintain. First to recon and pre-attack phase. Pre-attack phase and enterprise attack. Those are called totally MITRE attack framework. Now come to the last topic, phases of ethical hacking. First is information gathering. Or reconnaissance. Second is scanning. Third is gaining access. Fourth is maintaining access. And last is clear track. They are totally called phases of ethical hacking. I hope all of you understand to introduction to ethical hacking. So thank you for watching this video.